So you tell me if you're okay with these values, and then we'll do a percent. If you want, we can flip. If not, no pressure. Charlie, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Good to see you, brother. So I value this at 380, the Moltres Altart. This I value at 110. If you want to check comps, you can.
I'll probably skip for those then.
Okay. Comps are like, there's like a 70 comp, an 80 comp, and then a 120 comp.
I know, I saw it, but...
Okay, no problem. 250 is okay with Zapdos. 280 is fine with Mew. Mew, can you do 210? There's like a 200 comp. It's usually 200, there's one 220.
I knew a guy with.
Yeah, 210. That's fair. On the Mew Altart. It's like 50 to 90 range. Let me check this. I'd value it at like 80 if you want.
I'll hold on.
Okay. Mimikyu? Sure, 70, why not? I'll value that 85 if you want to still do it. And yeah, that's it. Let me see what total market was. So 1190 market on these 5 cards. So I'm interested in the Mew, the Mimikyu, the English Mew, Zapdos, and the Moltres. Market's around 1190. I want to flip 1K or 1100, or I can just pay you 1,050 straight, no flip. 1050, no flip? All right, sounds good. Appreciate it, sir. That was one room. I think there's like 3 areas. Okay, cool. Thank you. Hello. How you doing, man? Are these your cards? His cards?
But yeah, we can pull them out.
Cool. Is he willing to do a deal?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Okay. Do you take PayPal, friends and family?
No, I do. I have Zell.
Zelle? Okay. If I take a few cards, are you willing to do a deal?
What would you want to buy it though?
Close to 90?
It's the 90.
If the comps are fair, yeah.
We can like look, yeah.
Okay, cards I am interested in are, actually want a lot. Starmie. What's the Squirtle, like high 200s or
Like
mid?
280.
280?
I'm not gonna lie though, I don't think I can do those because I just bought those like at around that price. Like,
Okay.
Yeah, it's like
What do you want for the Starmie? Would you pay like 200, 220?
I think 220. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
You just trying to hold it?
Yeah, I was gonna buy it just to hold.
Let it stonk for you?
Yeah, basically.
Okay,
Now same with that too. Like it's why I paid a lot.
okay, cards I'm interested in. Tyranitar, Glaceon, Blaziken, Latias in a 9, Ray VMAX, Bubble Mew, the full gold set. I could take the Lugia and the Tina as well. I could take a lot if you want, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I can Zell you this much because I've never Zelled you before. You know roughly what you value the cards at? I use alt. You use alt?
Yeah, I use alt. I don't have any cards valued. Like I just like people ask, I just go.
I would do the same thing as you. I hate doing sticker because like literally comps are like all over the place every day.
Yeah.
Shit swings like 10%, 20% every day. Like bro, this card yesterday had a 360 sale,
Yeah.
and then it's like
Yeah. So I have that 440.
it's like market's cooked, bro. Yeah, there's 2 Tina V stars. The one's a full set, and there was a separate Tina.
Yeah.
This I value at 670. If you want to double check, it's going down a little bit. Y'all some young hustlers, huh?
Yeah. This one's hard because I like this card. Like I want to keep it.
Everyone does, yeah.
It's like,
Blaziken, I see comps 650. I don't know what you want about.
What'd you say, 670?
Yeah, I
650.
Austin. The last year was 670.
Bro, what the hell? Why did it go down?
there's a few comps before that are lower too. I think 670 is fair.
Oh yeah, I got it for good.
You got it for what?
I got it for a good deal. So
Okay, I mean it was like $300-400 like a month ago.
Yeah, I bought it like a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
So it was like dirt cheap.
That's for a closet.
Rayquaza is like around $1,100, maybe like 1050 to 11.
I had at 11.
Okay, 11's fair. So 670, 1100 on these two.
So I have 440.
Can you do 420 for the culture?
Let me double check.
You can check it if you want. 420 Blaziken. Blaziken, are you cool with like 630? Last sold 600, but
I'm just gonna look at everything.
okay. I can show you comps too as I'm going to make it easier for you.
440, 437. You're like 430 on this. That's why I'm sticking with that.
Here, check.
One's
check,
over
check
450.
those two. I'll check these.
437. All like the recent sales are low key higher than 420, 430.
I'll probably hold off on it.
All right, that's cool.
Bubble, what do you want to be at? Market.
Probably 1.1. Probably what I would want.
Okay.
Look at the Tina.
Tina, realistically, I want to be at 5. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep one.
Okay.
Because I bought one off him for like
460.
yeah.
Sure.
And then I'll buy I can do that one.
Okay.
I think the whole set.
I think these are around 2 to 250 each, the side ones, and the Arceus is like 280.
I had these valued at. Oh wait,
Where's the Arceus?
Right there.
I had these at 1.3.
I haven't checked, but this is probably like 270 or 280, and these are probably like 240.
Let me check the RCS because last time I checked it was like 300.
Here, wait,
I
hold on.
think.
Give me your keepers, bro.
When this was also 600, but then it went down. I think 1250 is fair for the set market. Yeah, I'd value the set at 1250.
It's like 315, 300, 295. 300,
Okay.
300.
Check the like with the Palkia and Dialga. You can check. I remember all the numbers.
you do?
I'll add it in front of you.
Just to make it easier for me.
I got decent memory for a kid that didn't really go to college.
Oh yeah, we're gonna drop out.
Yeah, I dropped out after 6 months. Yeah, 250 is fair on this, and then
I think this is like 2.
I said 1250 on the pair on like the quad. So I valued these at 240, and I valued this at 280, and I valued this at the 5. I'm gonna show you the math.
Wait, can you wait? So what is this one at?
280, that's what I put. These I put at 240 each. What do you value the Glaceon or Blaze at?
Sorry,
Comps were
let me-
600 and 650.
600, 650.
I said 630, and I'll value this at 9. If you
Wait, what did you have this at again?
630,
630.
and I do 900 comp on this for you.
All right, yeah, 630 is fair.
Okay.
Yeah.
630 on Blaze, 900 on Latios.
Okay, so.
Yo,
I didn't
yo,
write
yo.
everything down. My
Here,
bad.
let's add everything. Ready?
Alright.
I'll put it in front of the camera.
That's what I thought it was. This right here is 330.
Okay, as long as my shit matches, we should be good. So 465 on the Glaceon VMAX, 670 on the Lugia, Ray VMAX and Bubble Mew. Each of these we valued at 1100, so plus 2200. Latios 900, Japanese. Blaziken 630. What are we at so far? We're at 4865. You said like $3,000. What was your?
No, that was just the.
Oh, okay. I was like trying to screw him on like $2,000 or $3,000.
It was just these 4.
And then it was 1260 on the gold pair, right? On the quad. Remember? It was 1260.
Can I recheck the Arceus real
Sure,
quick? My
sure.
bad.
Yeah, we just had those 4.
Because I feel like the Arceus is not that low.
I know, me and you. No, we just did the 4.
Am I going on YouTube?
Yeah, if that's okay with you.
I think this one,
Where's the other one?
I think this one's not. It's 315, 300, 295, 300.
So like $10 more?
300. No,
Okay, look, so I said 1260, 6125. You want what? $15 more on the value?
You have this at 260, right?
No, I said 280.
Oh, 280? Oh,
Yeah, I didn't say 260.
my bad.
I wouldn't cook you that hard. 6135 market. Cool with you?
Yeah.
We're not doing that.
90% is like 5,500.
Wait, what was the mark again?
6135.
Yeah, like 92.
No, I know.
What's up?
Can you do 92? Like,
I would flip you. You want to flip?
Yeah. That's
depends,
so
yeah.
tough.
Are you old enough to gamble?
57.
no, not yet.
How old are you, by the way?
17.
Holy shit. Damn, I'm like 11 years older than you. That's crazy. I'm getting old.
28.
Yeah, I'm 28. That's wild. Let's do. You want to flip with my coin?
Yeah, sure. What
Yeah.
what are
You
we
can
at?
use your coin if you
What
want.
are we flipping? Like 90, 290?
I'll flip you 5,500, 5,600 to make you happy.
5,500?
Yeah. So if you lose, you're getting 90%. If you win, you're getting almost 92%. What's your name?
Austin?
Austin. What's your Instagram?
It's Pokey_collects TCG.
Pokey_collects TCG. Check him out. All right.
Let's go.
We got a Japanese Glaceon, Blaziken. Latias in a 9, Ray VMAX, Bubble Mew, Lugia, and the Fold Gold set from Crown Zenith. Market was around 6,100, or flipping 55 or 5,600. You want to use your coin or my coin?
I don't got a coin. So
All right, then the Goated Pulls coin it is.
you want to flip it?
Doesn't matter. You want me to throw or do you want to throw?
You throw.
I throw, you call?
Yeah, sure.
All right, let me take it out. All right, I'll throw it on the ground. Is that cool?
Yeah, sure.
You call?
Yeah.
5,500, 5,600. Call it in the air. Ready, sir?
Yeah.
This is heads. This is tails. Ready? 3, 2, 1. He says tails. That's heads. Goated Pulls. Someone should. Everyone's calling tails because I call tails, so they're trying to cook me.
No, it's because I called tails like.
I call tails all the time
times,
too.
and it's been heads, bro. So I was like.
Okay. All right, 5,500, brother. Okay, let's see what you got. You want to move over a little bit that way?
What do you want to pay though? I don't want to waste your time.
90-ish. I want like anything you don't want to sell, you don't have to sell. So only if you're comfortable, okay?
Tell me what you like.
All right, is it okay if I go through it?
Yeah, go through it.
All right, sweet. Maybe Umbreon, maybe Zard. Is that right? In a 9?
Yeah.
A 10's like 6 or 50. I don't know.
Oh, that might be the one I'm seeing.
I think you comped it at a 10 price. How old are you again?
Older than mine?
Yeah.
I'm old, yeah.
Older than me?
How old are you?
28.
Yeah.
How much is the gas leak? Is it 200 or more or less?
360, I think.
Holy shit.
I just got it today. That's what's that.
Card's going up. Holy shit. This might be like 10 grand.
Last deal we did was like 10 grand.
Yeah. Dude, you got good shit. I can't resist it. Yeah, dude. It's probably going to be close to 10K. Okay, let me move this here. Is there anything else in here that I didn't see?
That's it, bro.
Okay, what number do you want to be at market on these? I'll buy them. We're at 72.85 so far, right? On this stack?
Yeah, 72.
You want to screenshot that so you don't? We can just do a separate number on these VMAX alts.
Alright. So, like, say these right here. I mean, lowest I could probably do is like.
Comps were like 550, but.
That's
You,
what I'm saying.
so you said 600 on these. You said 620 on this,
That's what it was, yeah.
right?
So,
So 600 on the two Glaceons, 620 on Leafeon VMAX.
these,
You said 700 on this?
770, yeah, lowest. So that'd be
Fuck it, 700 and 700. You're a homie. I'll help you out there.
And then that one,
This comp size is literally as low as those, if not lower, right now.
fuck it, I'll do 7.
Okay. So we're at another 39 there. What was this stack at?
So the first stack was 72.85,
72.85 plus.
79.20.
So $11,205. 10 or 10 one flip.
11.205.
10,000, 10,000, 100 flip.
10,000. Nah.
You keep all those guards. You keep these guards. And you keep the Fanta guard. I just keep these two guards, the blue
we're
and
looking
the
at big deals over here. Closer to 10.6.
Did you win any flips or?
95%? Well, I gave you like super high comp, like not even real comps. Like if I paid you that, I'm literally paying 100%. Because like real market on this shit was like 650 and I was giving you 700 comps.
I can't do 90 though. I'll do like 90.
So it's 90% of like 110% is what I'm paying you.
What do you want to flip?
I said 10,000 or 10,100. Zell? I can Zell you tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right, let me show the camera. You want to take these guards off real quick? And then I'll show these. All right, so we're picking up a Terapagos in a 10. This is like 250. Rayquaza V. I love this card from Evolving Skies. The Eevee illustration rare. Bubble Mew. Greninja. Zardy Boy. Van Gogh. Palkia. Rainbow Zard. Master Ball Japanese Umbreon. Mewtwo V-Star from Crown. Umbreon from Hidden Face, this is going up. Arceus V-Star from Crown. We got two Glaceon VMAXs from Evolving Skies. Leafeon VMAX. Sylveon VMAX. A Sunbreon and Espeon VMAX. Oh, and last but not least, the Mega Tokyo Poncho. Marco's over 11,000. We're flipping 10,100 or 10,200 with Mr. TCG Bangers. All right, you want to use your coin or you want to use my coin? You want to use this? Okay, do you want to throw or do you want me to throw?
I'll flip you call.
Okay, fine. Holy shit. All right, 10,100, 10,200. On the ground?
On the ground.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Tails. Give me tails. There we go! Golden Bulls!